Hello friends, and welcome back to our YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. My name is Alex, and like always I'm delighted to make this kind of videos and showing you the best offers and helping you, our dear clients, with the buy, with the sale, and of course with the rent of real estate properties at our beautiful sunny Costa Blanca region. So now we are actually in San Javier, in Santiago de la Ribera. This is a place of San Javier city, which I very like. I live 20 kilometers away from here in Torrevieja, but very often I come here because there's a nice promenade. You have a lot of bars, restaurants. In summer I was here, it was a big rock concert here on this place, 1 week party. We also have the small private airport here and also military airport. You always have planes flying here. I was here in summer. It was a very big avia show on this place here. It was very funny. So you can see planes, you can see La Manga and Mar Menor with the boats, nice view. It's perfect to walk here, to enjoy this place. And this place, Mar Menor, has more temperature in the summer and rest of the year than the open at sea because it's closed. So it's good for the children. There's more temperature. You can go also in the spring or autumn into the water. No waves at all. And yeah, in this lovely place where I'm standing now, if you walk by this beautiful promenade in like 1 kilometer and then you go inland 700 meters from the beach, I will show you a corner house. Friends, you will be surprised, with 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, front terrace, very big back terrace, 2 floors, balcony, and it's from the year 2009. And maybe one of the, well, there's many things that I like in this house. You will see a big, huge garage, which you can access. This is an underground garage you can access straight from the house. So yeah, I wanted to show you this place because I very like it. And now we're going to see the house and I will show you the review of it. Follow me. So friends, here we are in this quite nice residential area, and I'm glad to present you this corner house that we got now already came on sale. Important to mention about the location, as I told by the beginning of the video, just 600 meters away we have this beautiful beach. This here, it's a University of Sport. I asked the owners if it's noisy here. He told me that not, only sometimes in the weekends they are playing football there or practicing sport, but it's very quiet. So you can see how the people are entering with the car to the underground garage. Important to mention that we also are 1.2 kilometers away from the commercial center Dos Mares. It's very well known here. So you can buy clothes, make shopping. It's a big commercial center from this region, and a lot of cities that are living around are going there to make the shopping. There's one nice park there, so it's perfect area when you have children. You have a park there and the children have park to go to play. And there's a camping here with a kitchen, restaurant, and the owner just 5 minutes from here, they always go there to eat something. So yeah, about the location, you have many things to do here. And now please, I invite you to see the house. This is the front terrace, nice, green. So then we have this dining area here to be with a lot of chairs. They did this roof here because it's southeast, so we have sun in the morning and until the afternoon. So now it's 3 o'clock almost, and we'll still have sun on this front terrace. Please come in and I will show you the inside of this house. So, main entrance, stairs to the first floor. Check it out, big living room with window that goes to outside terrace. We have centralized air conditioning for warm and cold. The house is very well kept. Everything, the doors, the tiles, everything is very good and well kept. This is a guest bedroom. Important to say that we have one bedroom that is downstairs, so it's very important for people with problems or old age people. So nice to have one bedroom here. Then we have the kitchen. Please check it out. Complete kitchen, independent. You can have your breakfast here in the mornings, but I don't think if you buy this property you will not have the breakfast here. You know why? Follow me and check this backyard out. It looks like a little bit like a English style. In London, usually some properties have this backyard, and yeah, just check it out. This is private. All this, it's huge. And as this is a corner one, you have all this extra additional. The rest of the houses don't have this backyard that big. Please check it out. Long table for a lot of people, private barbecue, kitchen, outside kitchen. You can enjoy here, you can enjoy in the front terrace. I think there's a lot of space and it's perfect for big family with children. Your children can play here on this back terrace. Very good for somebody that has children or big family. Yeah, and now I think we are going to see the upper floor, the first floor. Follow me. So this is the first floor. We have 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. This is the main bedroom with private bed. It's big size, actually windows. I like that we have windows in all the rooms. Each room has a window. This main bedroom has access to a small balcony that goes to the same place where the front terrace is, where we started doing the video. We have inbuilt wardrobe. Then the next bedroom with window that goes to the back terrace. And we have also inbuilt wardrobe, good size, also very good size of bedroom. Following, we have one bedroom with shower plate. And the last bedroom here, this is for the children, you can see by the colors. And also same window like the guest bedroom, the second one that goes to the back terrace. So this is the living room, this is the kitchen, and this is the entrance to the underground garage. So check out how big this room is. We have an air conditioning machine. Sorry, there's a lot of stuff. All this stuff will go out when the sellers will sell the property, if you buy it, of course. This is one more toilet here with shower plate. So, and by the end, there's a door that drives us straight to the main garage where you can park your car. And if you open this gate, you go straight to the underground garage and direct here. This is the first garage. Actually, you're going straight outside with your car, and I was there. There's a lot of space to drive, so you can park your car easy to this private garage. I think it's a very good extra, and you will not find often offers like this with this huge underground area and garage. So friends, this property has a cost of 239,000 euro. Modern property, best location, big surface, 2 terraces, 4 bedrooms, huge garage, perfect to enjoy with whole the family. I think it's a very good offer. Contact me for more details. If you need anything, any information about this property or any other properties, don't mind to contact me on this phone number. You have it below this video. I'm always in touch, and I will kindly answer all the questions about this house. Share this video with your family, your friends and lovers, and subscribe this channel. Of course, it's important for us. And yeah, I see you next time in our YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. Adiós.